Okay, so everyone knows that writing a journal is beneficial. It improves mental health, reduces stress, improves memory, clears confusion, etc. etc. Also, every successful person recommends journaling in most of the videos, books, and podcasts. But most of us don't know how to start and where to start journaling. And that's why most of the people don't start writing, which is so important for overall mental health and for being organized. So today I'm going to tell you how to write a journal and where to start, how to start, and be consistent. So let's begin. Firstly, you need to know the types of journals. There are various kinds of journals, like a gratitude journal where you write the things you are grateful for or thankful for. A goal planner where you write your goals and track them. A daily planner where you plan your whole day. A dream journal where you write your dreams to achieve them. A mental health journal where you write your feelings, your thoughts, which helps you in dealing with anxiety and depression. There are many track journals like a food journal or a travel journal, weight loss journal, etc. So it means that you can journal anything that you want to track on. So the first thing you need to ask yourself is why you want to write a journal. It's because you want to manage yourself, or you want to be more grateful, or you want to write your thoughts and feelings for your mental health, or you want to plan your future, your goals, your daily planner, or you want to do all these things. Or you can write many types of journals like mental health journal, also a to-do list wala journal, also a goal planner journal, etc. I myself write three types of journals. Firstly, I write a daily planner. In a daily planner, I write how to start my day and the task I have to finish on that day. I make a to-do list, and then at the end of the day, I mark the task I have finished, and it feels so satisfying when you finish, and it helps me in my productivity and to manage my day. So this is my daily planner. Miracles happen every day. I love it. And here are my top 3 priorities of the day I write every day. And here is also a to-do list which we can make, a day schedule and notes we can write. And there's hours we slept and water intake, and also a productivity hack of the day. The second journal I write is a mental health journal where I write my thoughts and feelings and the things that happened on that day and the things that came into my mind on that moment and the things I like and dislike. If something bad happened, I write that to relieve my stress and anxieties I have. So writing helps me to get through it. The third type of journal I write is a goal journal, in which I write my goals and the goals I want to achieve. I do not write this journal on a daily basis, but in a month or a week. I also analyze my month and week, how much I did achieve and how long it will take to reach that goal. I also have this journal where I write random things like something I have to plan for Instagram or YouTube I have to plan, and something random things I write on it. In it, sometimes I also write the books I have finished and the books I want to read next. This journal is not for a specific reason. It's like a random journal I have. I am journaling for 2 years. Though I'm not consistent, but I know even though it really helps me in many areas of my life. And maybe it's not achieving perfection that makes someone qualified to speak. Maybe it's the belief in the value of journaling and the persistent desire to make it work. So here are some tips to start writing a journal. First, to start a journal, you just need to be willing to write. You don't have to write well or become a perfectionist. You don't even need to decide what to write. You just need to let your words flow. So the most important thing is just start writing without procrastination and judging yourself. Second, where you will write. You don't need a fancy journal if you want to write. You can start writing in a normal notebook. You can write to-do list, goals, your thoughts, anything you want to write. But if you want to buy any journal, then these 2 journals are my favorite ones. This black journal is from Factor Notes that I received last week. And it's so beautiful and so nice that I highly recommend you. If you want, you can buy it. Both the links will be in description. Third, ask yourself questions. Like what happened this day or that day? How did that make you feel? Are you excited about anything and why? Ask yourself questions. Reflect on the thoughts and feelings you are having. Fourth, set up or schedule. Set a time when you can write daily on this journal. Writing on a journal daily at the same times makes you consistent. And also scheduling the same times, journal will become a natural and regular part of your daily life. So schedule a time where you can write daily and are most comfortable with. Fifth, start small. You do not have to write the whole page and feel overwhelming. It may happen when you start writing at the first place. So start small. You can start with a small paragraph in a day and then continue writing and then writing, and then when you feel like you want to write more and more, then you can write more. Now, how to find time for journaling? Some people who keep a journal say that they find the process time consuming, that they forget to write regular entries and that makes them lose consistency. But here are some tips. So if you want to start a to-do journal, then plan for 5 minutes today evening about tomorrow. What you're going to do tomorrow, how you will start your day, what are the things you want to do tomorrow. So this will start your next day clear and confusion free. Also, there will be times when you don't want to write or can't write because you are too busy or you are not in a mood or miss your day. On these days, don't get disappointed and stop writing. Just try to write even if it's a single line, and even if you miss it, just try to write next day and just try to make it a habit. So this was all about journaling. I really enjoyed making this video, and if you also like this video, press the like button and also comment which type of journal are you thinking of writing and or which type of journal you already write. Also share this video with your friends and family who need to listen to this. And if you are new to my channel, also subscribe to my YouTube channel for self-improvement videos. Gracias.